A weak battery can leave you stranded at the worst possible moment, and guessing its condition is never a good strategy. This lineup covers 5 of the best battery testers available in 2026, ranging from affordable diagnostic tools to professional-grade units that deliver fast, accurate, and reliable results. Number 5. FNIRSI HRM10. The FNIRSI HRM10 is one of those tools that immediately feels more advanced than its compact size suggests. While many battery testers focus mainly on voltage readings, this unit goes a step further by measuring internal resistance, which is often one of the clearest indicators of a battery's true condition. That extra level of insight can help identify aging batteries before they start causing problems. What impressed me most during testing was its accuracy. The 4-wire measurement method significantly reduces interference, resulting in more consistent readings compared to many entry-level testers. Whether you're working with vehicle batteries, lithium batteries, or other rechargeable power sources, the results feel dependable and repeatable. The color display is another highlight. Information is presented clearly, making it easy to review detailed measurements without scrolling through confusing menus. For users who regularly test multiple batteries, the sorting function is genuinely useful. It quickly separates healthy batteries from weak ones, saving time in workshop environments. Data storage and export capabilities add even more value. Being able to save results and review them later on a computer makes the HRM10 feel like a professional diagnostic tool rather than a simple handheld tester. It also performs well across different temperatures, which is important for users working in garages or outdoor conditions. Its learning curve is slightly higher than basic testers, but the added functionality is worth it. For anyone who wants deeper battery analysis and excellent accuracy, the FNIRSI HRM10 is an easy recommendation. Number 4. KONNWEI KW700 Tester and Printer. The KONNWEI KW700 stands out because it combines comprehensive battery diagnostics with one feature that many competing models overlook: instant printed reports. For mechanics, workshop owners, or anyone who likes keeping maintenance records, having a built-in printer adds real practical value. Beyond the printer, this tester offers a complete health check for a vehicle's electrical system. It evaluates battery condition, analyzes cranking performance, and checks charging system operation. Instead of simply telling you whether a battery is good or bad, it provides a broader picture of what is happening under the hood. The device supports both 12-volt and 24-volt systems, making it suitable for everything from motorcycles and passenger cars to trucks and commercial equipment. It also works with multiple battery technologies, so you're not limited to a specific battery type. During testing, the menu structure felt straightforward and easy to navigate, even for users without professional experience. One feature I particularly like is the cloud reporting capability. After completing a test, you can generate a code and access detailed reports through your phone. That modern touch makes it easier to store records, share results, or review battery history later. The built-in printer does make the unit slightly larger than some portable competitors, but the added functionality more than justifies the extra size. For users who want professional diagnostics, printed documentation, and broad compatibility in one package, the KONNWEI KW700 is a very solid choice. Number 3. Uni-T UT673A and UT675A. The Uni-T UT673A and UT675A are excellent examples of tools that focus on doing the fundamentals exceptionally well. Rather than overwhelming users with unnecessary features, these testers prioritize accuracy, simplicity, and dependable diagnostics, making them appealing to both beginners and experienced technicians. One of the biggest advantages is that battery testing can be performed without removing the battery from the vehicle. That saves time and makes routine inspections much more convenient. Whether you're checking a family car, motorcycle, or commercial vehicle, the process feels quick and efficient. The Kelvin measurement method plays a major role in the accuracy of these testers. Readings for voltage, resistance, capacity, and overall battery health are consistently reliable, helping users make informed decisions about battery maintenance or replacement. The results are presented clearly, with easy-to-understand indicators that eliminate much of the guesswork. The UT675A takes things a step further by adding data transfer functionality and a built-in printer. Those features make it especially attractive for professional workshops that need customer reports or service documentation. Meanwhile, the standard UT673A remains a great option for users who simply want accurate diagnostics without paying for additional extras. The interface is clean and intuitive, making the learning process remarkably short. While these testers may not have the most advanced visual displays on the market, they excel where it matters most: dependable performance and trustworthy results. For users who value accuracy and ease of use, the Uni-T UT673A and UT675A are excellent investments. Number 2. TOPDON BT200. The TOPDON BT200 earns its position near the top of this list because it strikes an impressive balance between professional accuracy and everyday usability. It is one of those tools that feels equally comfortable in a home garage or a busy repair shop. What immediately stands out is how quickly it delivers results. Using advanced conductance testing technology, the BT200 provides fast and reliable battery assessments without requiring lengthy procedures. It can evaluate battery health, analyze cranking performance, and verify charging system operation, giving users a complete understanding of their vehicle's electrical condition. The display deserves special recognition. Bright, clear, and easy to read, it remains visible even under direct sunlight. That may sound like a small detail, but anyone who has worked outdoors knows how valuable good screen visibility can be. The straightforward messages, such as good or replace, also make interpreting results incredibly simple. Durability is another major strength. The tester feels rugged and well-built, while the heavy-duty clamps provide secure connections throughout the testing process. It also performs reliably across a wide range of temperatures, making it a dependable companion year-round. Compatibility is excellent as well. Cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and several other vehicle types can all be tested using the same device. The only real limitation is the absence of advanced reporting features found on higher-end models. Even so, for users seeking accuracy, reliability, and ease of operation, the TOPDON BT200 offers outstanding value and comes highly recommended. Number 1. TOPDON BT600. Taking the top spot is the TOPDON BT600, a battery tester that delivers professional-grade diagnostics while remaining surprisingly easy to use. This is the kind of tool that feels purpose-built for serious enthusiasts, mechanics, and anyone who wants the most complete battery analysis possible. The BT600 excels because it goes far beyond basic battery testing. It evaluates battery health, checks cranking performance, analyzes charging systems, and provides highly detailed diagnostic information that helps identify potential problems before they become expensive repairs. The accuracy is excellent, giving users confidence in every result. One of the standout features is the large color display. Navigation feels smooth, menus are easy to understand, and test results are presented clearly. That combination makes the device approachable even for users who are not professional technicians. The built-in thermal printer is equally valuable. Being able to hand customers a printed report immediately after testing is a feature many workshops will appreciate. Practical design choices further improve the experience. The long testing cable provides greater flexibility around vehicles, while reverse polarity protection helps prevent accidental damage during use. The overall construction feels durable and built for years of regular service. Another advantage is its broad compatibility with different battery types and vehicle categories. Whether you're diagnosing a personal vehicle or managing a fleet, the BT600 handles the job confidently. The price is higher than entry-level alternatives, but the performance justifies the investment. For users who want the most capable and feature-rich battery tester on this list, the TOPDON BT600 is the clear winner. That wraps up our picks for the best car battery testers of 2026. From compact diagnostic tools to full-featured professional models, Each option brings something unique to the table. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews.